Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study accounting and finance step by step. First, build a strong foundation. Begin by mastering fundamental accounting principles, such as debits and credits, which are crucial for recording transactions. Next, thoroughly understand the three core financial statements: the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Finally, familiarize yourself with key financial ratios. These tools help analyze a company's performance and financial health. Once you have a solid foundation, it's time for practice and application. Actively work through a variety of practice problems and case studies to solidify your understanding. Try applying the concepts you learn to real-world company financial reports and current business news. This practical approach helps bridge the gap between theory and actual scenarios. Additionally, consider exploring accounting software to gain valuable hands-on experience. As you progress, delve into more advanced topics. Explore areas such as corporate finance, investment analysis, and risk management to broaden your expertise. Develop strong financial modeling skills using spreadsheet software, which is essential for forecasting and valuation. Continuously stay informed about current industry trends, technological advancements, and regulatory changes to remain competitive and knowledgeable in the field. Continuous learning is vital in accounting and finance. Join professional organizations to expand your network and access valuable resources and mentorship opportunities. Consider pursuing professional certifications, such as the Certified Public Accountant or Chartered Financial Analyst, to significantly boost your career prospects. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Investing in your knowledge and tools will always pay off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.